me, my dear teacher. A very good afternoon to all of you, my dear friends and respected teachers, and also respected judges and dear clients. Friends, I am here, Ayaz Ansari, to front of you, and my topic is if I were the prime minister of India. Friends, please listen me carefully and forget my mistake. Firstly, I am talking about the nation of our neighbor country. If we talk about our Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Iran country, then we can easily make an alliance to them, and we can easily buy the petroleum for just only 30 rupees per liter. Do you know, friend? It's gone unbelievable because a pipeline through the Pakistan we connect to our India, and we can easily purchase the petroleum. We can easily purchase the petroleum and to the connect in our India. It is a simple way of the petroleum transport, and we can save our taxes, and we can save our GST on the petroleum. You can't imagine, friends, if Indian people are purchasing 1 liter petroleum in our country, then he can spend of their 100 rupees per liter of petroleum in India. But if we talk about our Iran, then we can only purchase a 14.86 rupees liter only in Iran. Do you know, friend? It is unbelievable prices of in Iran. And if we talk about our price increasing in price, and if we talk about our nation, it is a very biggest amount in our country. But in Iran, if we alliance connect to our neighbor country just like Pakistan, Iran, and Afghanistan, then we can save our armies and our defense protector. Then we can save 1.6 million dollars of rupees save for our nation. Then we can project in our future very bright in of our country. It is the biggest alliance and it is a helpful of alliance for our country of India. And my next point is that if we talk about our education system, friends, you know, everybody in India, 35% people are uneducated. It is the biggest number of that. We can't assume it is the very biggest numbering of uneducated person in our India. It is the biggest problem, and it is the biggest problem for our future. So, friend, if I were the prime minister of India, then we can face and we can sort out this problem of our nation. And if we talk about our GDP, then do you know, friend, we Indians are very foolish. Yes, we Indians are very foolish because we sell our raw material to China and America and other foreign country, and we can purchase for their branded product. It is the very biggest GST and tagging on them, and